In this video, I want to show you how quick and easy it is to create awesome designs to share with your friends. Hi, I'm Melina, founder of Quint App, which helps you create cool contemporary invites and canvas designs. I know it's overwhelming when it's your kid's birthday and you have to create save the dates and party invites and then thank you memes. So here's where Quint App can help you out. You can personalize your invites quickly and easily by selecting the template, add your details, and use our images or yours. Send digital, email, RSVP, tracked invites, or have them printed professionally. Let me show you now how quickly and easy it is to create your own personalized kids' birthday party invite. Okay, so you're doing a children's birthday party. So what we're going to do is going to select design range. We want to do an email invite. So we're going to pick the template that we like. So let's go with this one here. Go next. All right, we need to set up the event for the tracker in the app here. So we're going to call it Kiana's party. Okay, when is that? So let's put 26th of July. Time is good. Where? Let's put party house. Additional comments next, RSVP by June, it's all good. Now that will just set it up for the app, so it actually doesn't go on the invitation itself. We can actually change the color of the background if we wanted to. If we wanted just to have a plain invite, you can set it up like that. But for this instance, we actually want to use a photo. So let's go back and put a photo in here. So let's use this one. So we've got this great balloon here, put that there. So you can move it around, you can enlarge it. Let's use it like that. Okay, so we want to take out that line because we don't need it. Let's just put Kiana. Okay, then what we can do is down here is we click on the text where we want to change it. We can delete all this text and we can just type in, you're invited, okay, etc. Type in all the details that you have, then we hit done. Now you just need to make sure what size you like. So let's say we're going to do an email RSVP. So it actually doesn't matter which one you choose. So we'll just go with that one. If we need to change the text color, what we do is we hit text, select which one we want. So I want to do the header text. Let's see what it looks like in pink, red. That's not too bad. So we could use that. We can also do the text color as well if we wanted to, but for this instance, white is fine. Let's go next. Okay, so what we can do here is the way we can share it is in various ways. Facebook, Twitter, SMS, save it to your camera roll. You can order online if you want to get 50 prints that you want hard copies of. You would do it now. Send it to Instagram. We can also just email it. This is when we're tracking the actual digital invites. So we can actually select who we want to invite here. Let's send it to Black Swatch, Quint Design, I'm Melina. Okay, so we're inviting these 3 people. So the thing is, it's actually not got the right person's name. So let's put in Melina and partner. So this means we've got 2 people now. This one here, let's just make up a name. So let's say Sally and John, return. And this one, let's just put Josh, return. Okay, so then we want to send them out to the people. Okay, so that's all successful, which is great. Now that means that it's actually gone to those people. Now, if you also want to order it online, you can select your quantity. So you can say, okay, I want 6 of those. And I want the size, yes, A5 is fine because we've picked that earlier. So the cost of it will show up here. We want to add that to the cart. Successfully added. Okay, so there we go. Now I've actually got an earlier job in there, so I want to take that out. So I'm going to remove that one. So that's quite easy to do. It'll show you that. We'll proceed to payment and you can pay by credit card or PayPal. So that's kind of the steps that we take for actually ordering hard copies of your prints. So download the app today and start creating designs where you are the designer. If you know someone as savvy as you and would love to save time and create awesome designs, be sure to share this with them.